Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart app. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Walmart and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget